like growing on you.
Yes.
Hey. You didn't tell me your stuff. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Luna.
And I'm Stella, and today we have our FabFitFun box.
Woohoo!
And we're so excited to open it.
So excited, you have no idea.
Yeah. But before we open it and look at all what's inside, please go subscribe to our channel.
And go watch our other videos.
Yeah, we'd appreciate it.
Alright, so let's get started. We
Have been waiting for this.
and it finally came like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
We have never gotten one before.
This is
I think
our
we're gonna
first one.
start getting one every season just because it's so exciting.
They have fall, winter, summer,
Mhm.
or spring, summer.
Yeah, there's 4 seasons, so 4 times a year we'll be getting this box, and we are super excited about it. So, they say the stuff in here adds up to about $200 worth, and we only spent what, like $39?
Yeah.
So it's such a good deal. All right, so I have my scissors right here. Should we open it? Okay. All right. Get the 2 sides.
It's being a little tricky.
Yeah. All right.
You gotta open it.
Oh, I see. I was gonna like open it down the middle, like a normal box. Okay, we're gonna open it. Oh, maybe. Ah. Wait. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so we've opened it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Is
so
that just
padding.
Okay, so here's a booklet.
About it.
It's about the box, I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure. We'll have to go through that. I think.
Oh, it looks like there's some recipes in here.
Oh, maybe we'll have to try some of the recipes.
Pumpkin spice recipes.
Oh, perfect for fall.
Yeah.
Maybe that'll give us some ideas.
Yeah.
So, it looks like some coupons, HelloFresh.
Oh.
Okay. So, do you want me to like pull them out?
Yeah,
Or
actually.
like, okay. Crease release.
Oh,
Removes wrinkles.
Wait, for your face or for clothes? Oh, for ironing.
Oh, actually, that could be kind
Yeah.
of helpful. My first reaction was like, for your face. I was like, well, I don't think I have any wrinkles yet, but I'll come in handy.
So there's
Oh my
that.
gosh, yeah, let's put that in.
Right.
That is so cool. Okay. Sleep mist.
Oh.
Ooh, so let's see here. What is it? Formulated with powerful ingredients that relax your senses and smooth your skin. This calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complex. With witch hazel, which protects the skin and improves softness. Lavender oil promotes calmness. Rice water, rich in minerals, antioxidants, and B and E vitamins to help purify and smooth skin.
Wow, that sounds really good.
Wow,
Should we
like
open the
yeah,
box?
open it. Like that could come in here. Do you want me to?
Yeah.
That could come in handy.
Yeah, that sounds kind of nice. I actually use lavender to
I'm
make
struggling.
me relax all day.
Oh, there we go. Okay. So it comes in this like mist kind of bottle. I wonder if we could like open it up and see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oops.
Yeah. It does smell
Yeah, that smells really good actually.
Yeah.
That will be amazing. Okay. Do you want to pick something out of the box?
Alright, let's see. What is this? Oh, mascara.
Ooh. What does it say it is?
Extreme Lash Mascara.
Ooh.
That sounds kind of nice.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hey. Oh. I thought it said Stella, and I was like, ah.
It says Stella.
Yeah, ooh.
Ah. Oh. That will
It's
come
like
in
a-
handy too.
Really pretty container too.
Somehow, Stella and I are gonna have to split up this stuff. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna have to.
All right, and then liquid eyeliner.
Okay, I don't normally,
Me either.
but you've been kind of into.
I've been exploring.
Yeah, Stella's been kind of exploring makeup and hair and stuff, so maybe that she'll love that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. I don't even know how to open it.
It must be like.
Oh.
There you go. Yeah, you should experiment with that.
Yeah.
Don't poke your eyeball out.
No. All right, that's pretty
All
cool
right,
too.
so cool. So far, I'm loving everything.
Mhm.
Now, what's this? Okay.
I think it has something to do with silverware. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Let's see here. Oh, cauldron case.
Includes 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife.
Oh.
It's really cute blue too.
Yeah,
It's like a mint.
I
well,
see it's
mint
like a
green.
mint green.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. So it's like, oh wow, it's like to go silverware. That's kind of cute.
Yeah, that is cute.
Yeah, and it comes in such a cool case, so it'd be really easy to just take somewhere with you. Like if you're going on a picnic or you have to eat dinner in the car or something, you could just grab this because that would just come in so handy.
Yeah, it's cute.
And it just like kind of pops in there. Yeah, see? You open it like that and close it. So cool.
Yeah, it's really
I just flung it. It didn't break, so we're good.
Alright, so. Glow milk.
Wow.
Nourished with coconut and argan oil.
So what is it?
Oh, it's for the
Eliminating
face and
milk
body.
for face and body. Don't open it.
Oh, don't open it.
Well, I don't know.
Glow milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Created for a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter.
So, but there's more to it.
Oh yeah, it says enriched with coconut. Glow milk hydrates while illuminating the skin. Achieve a healthy, luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on the high points of your face and collarbone. Then blend with your fingertips for a natural radiance. Repeat for a more dramatic strobing effect.
Wow.
So I'm not really sure how that works, but
Yeah, it's kind of like a
highlighter?
well, yeah, you just like put it, maybe it like shimmers your face or something. Yeah.
I think there is a.
Oh, is that okay? I didn't know if it like came out
Or
of
do
the
you
milk.
wanna?
I didn't know if it like came out of the milk carton or what.
No.
Oh yeah, it does. It's in a cute container though.
Yeah.
Did you see this?
It
Looks like a milk carton.
Yeah.
It's kind of cute. Okay. Okay. Look what that looks like.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah, very interesting.
Alright.
Alright, so multivitamin mask, radiant complexion. So it's a face mask. Let's see. Oh, it's actually several, so we could easily split that up.
Yeah.
So it's a moisturizing Korean face mask made with vitamins B3, B5, B6, CE to nourish your skin. Okay. It's designed to fit seamlessly on the face and enhance the moisture content within the mask, leading to an increased absorption rate within the skin. Wow.
So it comes with 5 of them.
Yeah, so that's what the box looked like. So cool. I like doing face masks.
Me too.
Stella does too. You actually bought like a lot of like masks. Okay. So cool.
Yeah.
Alright, you wanna pick something?
Oh, you almost have a straw. I know, I'm like. Alright, what is this?
Oh, is it a... Oh, it's an infinity scarf.
Oh.
Pocket infinity scarf. I'm not sure what that means. It looks like a scarf that goes around your neck.
Oh.
Like, and you wrap it like several times.
Okay.
Yeah. Beyond yoga. Okay, cool. Oh, there's like a zipper. I wonder if you're supposed to like wear it when you're like... I don't know. It's like a perfect pocket for like a phone or car keys or
Cards.
yeah. Huh. So this is like kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Not sure how you wear it. Do you want to try it?
Alright, let's see.
So you put it around, and then so you wrap it around,
Mm-hmm.
and then but there's the back. Well, so that has to go to the back.
Oh.
Where's the
Clearly,
pocket?
we don't wear scarves very often.
Well, you don't wear scarves very often, but where's the pocket though? Oh, the pocket's like back here.
I feel like you'd want the pocket up front so you could like.
Yeah. Does it say anything? It doesn't say. So I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Maybe
Yeah.
one of us will start wearing scarves.
Yeah, it doesn't
Pocket
say on the
infinity
tag.
scarf. Maybe we'll, maybe in the book it says something about it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they even have like fall decor tips. Yeah, so let's see here. So it shows you like how they did the fall box. Maybe it doesn't say in here.
Yeah. I don't think it does.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, this is the same. They even have like pumpkin sage pizza and
Yeah.
pumpkin spice shake and
Alright, I
everything.
think we only have one more thing in there.
Oh man. One more thing. Okay. Mason jar hydration kit.
Oh.
Oh, it kind of
Oh, yeah.
matches.
Oh.
Oh. That's so cute.
It's like So it has a multifunctional drink lid, a premium glass mason jar, an insulating neoprene sleeve.
This is the sleeve. So I wonder if we... Oh yeah, see
Oh.
that's cute. It looks like a little tall mason jar.
Mm-hmm. That's cute.
Yeah. And it says it goes up to 2 cups. So you know you're drinking like 2 cups.
Yeah.
And then it comes in this sleeve. So that is so cool. So what do you think? How are we gonna split this stuff up?
Oh man, I don't know.
So we are here right now to try our mask that we got from our FabFitFun box, the multivitamin mask. So we're gonna test it out and see what we think.
Yeah.
And it's in a really cute package, and it says it's a moisturizing Korean face mask made with vitamin B3, B5, B6, C, E to nourish your skin. And it's inspired by Korean innovation in ultra thin fibre sheet. I don't know how to say that word. Sheet designed to fit seamlessly on your face and enhance the moisture content within the mask, leading to an increased absorption rate within the skin.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Alright. So
thank
it
goodness.
should be really good.
Yeah.
Ooh. I just squirted some stuff.
Yeah.
Did I squirt it?
So yeah, we already washed our face,
Mhm.
and so we did
We are
step
ready.
1.
Okay.
Smells good.
Yeah, I can already smell it. Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna unfold it.
Okay. Rowdy, lay down. Rowdy, lay down.
Like down. I'm struggling here. Okay, so I got mine. Why am I struggling? Sometimes it's hard to
Okay.
unfold them, but okay.
Rowdy. And where are these gonna start?
I gotta get the nose piece.
It's cold. Yeah. Rowdy.
Okay. They look a little funny. You know, it's kind of funny. My daughter's always scared of me when I put the mask on. She doesn't recognize me.
That is funny.
Mm-hmm.
She like started crying.
Yeah.
Why am I? Okay.
Now, how long are we supposed to let it? 20 minutes.
Oh.
Perfect.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Should we put some of these like extra juices on? So funny. Okay.
So we'll be back with you in 20
20
minutes and
minutes,
tell you
let
how
you
our
know.
skin feels. And
I can already feel a difference. So it has been 20 minutes, and so we are gonna take it off now. So what do we do after we
you just kind of rub in like the extra
liquid or whatever it is?
juice.
Okay, so let's take it off. It says let the remaining, gently pat your face to let the remaining essence absorb into your skin.
Does make my face feel good.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Yeah, you know, I like how my face feels right now.
Me too.
We'll see how it is like when it like completely dries, but I can already feel like my skin like feels a lot like softer, I guess, almost. So
It's really cool. I like it.
I
I want these again.
Yeah. And we still have a couple more because it was a pack of 5. And so we'll definitely enjoy these more because yeah. So yeah, it does have all the ingredients listed. So now we wanted to try that what's it called?
Glow milk.
The glow milk, yeah.
Pretty cool. And
looks like.
I'm trying to see where you. So I've been doing this like on my collarbones, and it gives you a really like shimmery look, and I really like it.
Yeah, and this is like what it looks like when it like comes out.
Yeah.
Now Stella's just gonna be doing this since like my collarbones aren't really showing with the shirt on.
Yeah, and you're supposed to. So the box tells you to do the high points of your face and your collarbone, and you blend it with your fingers. I'm not gonna do my face because I just did my face mask, but you want to shake it before you use it.
Okay.
And then you just want to like.
It's like a little syringe thing.
Yeah, it's a little hard to get out, but I'm gonna, do that.
Yeah.
And then just,
Show them. I don't know if you can see it in the video.
If you can see it, it's very.
But yeah, it does make it like kind of shiny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess you can add like however much you want. I just like a little bit of sparkle.
I like that. It looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So that's really fun.
Yeah. So you would get this again
Yeah,
too?
I recommend it. I think it's really cute
Mm-hmm.
and easy. And
Nice. So we've tested out a couple of these
Mhm.
things. So if you get it in your box, you'll know that you'll definitely like it.
yeah,
Yeah. So
go order your FabFitFun box.
Go order now. Okay. See you later.
See ya.
All right, if you want to order your fall FabFitFun box, just like Stella and I did, you will go type in FabFitFun and click on their official page. So to get the box, you're gonna scroll down and click get the box. You can even click the get 20% off. I believe Stella and I did that. So Stella and I got the seasonal fall box. You're gonna click the seasonal. You can get the annual, but it's up to you. So you're gonna click seasonal and type in all of your info, and then you're gonna order the box. We hope you enjoy the fall FabFitFun box just like we did.